One day I went to a networking event, and during the networking event, when we were actually writing our emails down, I wanted to enter my email, and then I entered my email as kuda@kudaonline.com, and everyone on the event was actually registering, saying this and that at Gmail, this and that at Hotmail, this and that at Yahoo. So the person who was registering the list asked me to say, what do you do? I said, I'm a web designer. And they say, you know what, I could tell from the email that you gave us. So you may come across a situation where you need to have an email that is branded to your business. So in this case, I want to teach you how to create an email for your business using the platform that we have through your hosting. So we have creative21studio.com, and we need to have something like kuda@creative21studio.com or admin or finance or anything in between. So the package of hosting that you have purchased from us allows you to create those emails. So if you are going to use another service, please find out if they allow you to create those emails. Otherwise, some of the other services out there, they want you to upgrade the package actually for you to create the emails. So in order for you to create the emails, log into your client portal. I'm going to show you two ways on how to do that, and you just choose the way that you want. So log into your client portal for Creative21 hosting, and all you have to do is to click on where it says services. Once you click on services, you're going to be presented with this page that you're looking at that has got product details, and on product details you are going to see that there's email accounts, which is the shortcut, and then if I scroll down here, I'll be able to see a quick email account creation option. So as you may have noticed, these are some of the icons that you have seen in the cPanel, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. So what I'm going to do here is, I normally go with, let me just say hello. So that's the email, and then the password that I need, you can just enter any password that you want. Okay, I've just entered the password, and I'm just going to click on create. As you can see, the email that was created successfully. So in order for me to log into my email, I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to show you in a minute, but let me show you the second way of doing this. So the second way of doing this is also doing it through your cPanel. And then once you are in your cPanel, you just go on the email tab, and then you can just expand this. Mine was actually collapsed, and you can actually rearrange these if you want. Okay, but let me just do that, and then you go to click email accounts. Once you click on email accounts, you will notice that you see two emails actually. So the first one here is, this one is the system email. You cannot really do much of it. And then this one is the one that I just created a few seconds ago. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is create an email. Again, I'm going to create, it's actually that same process that we have just done. And then here I can just put in admin at creative21studio.com, and I'm going to enter the password. Okay, as you can see, the strength is actually good, and you can also generate the password if you want. Okay, and then once done, you just click on create. Once you click on create, that means you've got email accounts that you have actually created right here. And I want you to take note of the size here. There is 1 gig, and then this one is 250 megabytes. So it simply means that if you have an email account that has got 1 gig, if you receive information that is 1 gig, you will stop receiving emails, or you won't be able to send out. So the options that you have two options. It's either you delete your old emails, or you can ask your hosting company to increase the size of your mailbox. Okay, so how do you check the emails? So while you're on the cPanel, you click on email, and then you can click here to check email. Or if you are in your client portal, you can just click on here to say log into webmail. So what I'm going to do is I can just click on that to log into webmail. Once you get to log into webmail, once you click on there, you are going to be presented with this. And where do you get the details to enter here? So these are the details that you have created that you enter here. So in this case, I would say it's hello at creative21studio.com. And now here you enter the password that you would have actually created when you are actually creating this password, this email, and then you can just click on login. Okay, or you can go via your cPanel. And on the cPanel you can just click on check email, and then if you click on check email via cPanel, this is going to bypass the password feature. Okay, it's not going to ask for the password because you have got high level of access of your email account. And then this is a page that you are presented with to choose the way or the layout that you need to get when you're actually opening up, and then you just click on open. Once you click on open, you realize that you would have received one email that has got configuration settings for your email. Okay, in this case, normally we send out an email, our system sends us the welcome email. So what I can do now is I can go ahead. If I need to send an email, I can just click here to compose, and then I can say I need to send an email to my other Gmail account, and then you just put the subject line, you just put the details here. So what it simply means, when the other person receives this email, they'll receive the email from your company email. Again, there is ways how you can integrate your company email to platforms like Gmail, platforms like Yahoo, so that you can send from your Gmail account using your branded email. So let me just show you. I'm just going to head over to my email, and then let's see I need to send out an email. Okay, so what I've done here is, as you can see here, there is from. So this from my Gmail account, I can click on here, and then I can say I need to send from kudaonline.com, or I need to send from creative21. So this is an integration that I've done on Gmail that allows me to add my branded email to Gmail, so that I don't have to kind of log in here, log in there. I can just get everything from my Gmail, and I'll be able to receive and send emails for my company from my Gmail account. So that's basically what I wanted to show you, and how to set this up is a lesson for another day. And please do go ahead and ask any questions in our community. Let us know if you've created your branded email account and how did it go. And thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson, and bye.